This is where the Mets come do their spring training. It's only like 15 minutes away from my house. For you Mets fans, here it is. Look how nice this is. Clover Stadium. See if I pull over and try to get some footage. Alright, let's walk around a little bit so I can show you guys what it looks like here. I know that when they're not doing spring training and it's off season, they do certain events here. I think they have like a carnival and other activities throughout the winter months. Be cool to get some of you guys that ride to come out here to Clover Stadium, especially if you're a Mets fan. They have an official team store here. Guess you could buy souvenirs and stuff like that. It's really a nice looking place. Then you got these pictures on the walls here. So for all you Mets fans, comment down below if you guys ever been here before or ever plan to come out to Port St. Lucie and check them out. This is their conference center there. It looks really nice at night, all lit up with the palm trees and stuff. You also have like a dugout there. I guess you can come here and take pictures. But I just wanted to show you guys Clover Stadium. I was in the area, I was riding past it, so I figured I'd stop in, especially for you Mets fans. So I live in Port St. Lucie, and this is where they do their spring training, so I figured you guys would enjoy that, even if it's a minute of it. So that's pretty much it. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that.